Hi guys! Lena is here with another Blender tutorial for you all! Last night I did a lot of render testing, which is basically rendering an image, adjusting some settings or stuff in the scene, and then rendering again. And again. And again. Till you like how it looks. Sometimes the changes are very small, like changing the light intensity from 15 volt to 16 volt to see what's look better. Yeah, it gets really dumb sometimes. But it's important. This is how we learn, get better, and make cool stuff come to life. So of course there is a problem. See, my hand is always on this side of the keyboard. All the important shortcuts like Shift are here. But the shortcut for rendering an image? Well, it's all the way over there. And add to that the fact that my keyboard is like a laptop keyboard, but way bigger, which means that if I want to use the F12 shortcut, I need to press this Fn key too at the same time. My hand isn't big enough for that. That makes rendering from the top menu quicker than using the shortcut, which by definition is supposed to shorten the time it takes to run the action. So I sat there and rendered again and again and again with my mouse, when suddenly, by a mistake, I pressed the right click instead of the left click on the mouse, and all my problems and solutions were solved. From that point on, I rendered so fast, and it even became fun instead of frustrating. And all of this, thanks to the Quick Favorites menu! Apparently, there is a thing called the Quick Favorites, which you can add functions to, so they will be more easy to access. All I did to use it was to just press the right click on the render button and assign it to the Quick Favorite. Then, every time I press Q, it appears. Yes, it's that cool and that easy. And it isn't stopped there. I experimented some more and found that every workspace has its own menu, and I can assign anything I want to it. Anything. That means no more searching for the noise texture or the bump node. Welcome to the menu, guys! And who needs to remember brush shortcuts? I have them all in my favorites. Although I never sculpt. Want to turn a collection on and off fast? Easy. Well, maybe in that case the old way is better. Let's remove this one. Do you use the mirror modifier a lot? Because I do. And now I'm gonna use it even more! This thing was so cool that I might have just dreamed about it. Maybe it wasn't even real. Wait. Now I got to check. Just to make sure. Let's just open Blender and see if I can add a cube like that. What? But, 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 is everything fine? The, the quick menu. I had a dream and I read it so fast and you mean the quick favorites? So it was real? So why is it all gone? You didn't save the blend file as a startup file, didn't you? What? Yeah, you want those shortcuts to exist every time you open a new file, right? So you need to tell it to Blender. You can't just guess. Give me that camera for a second. Wait, what? You can't just... Alright, after you are done assigning all the different functions to the menus, make sure that the blend file looks exactly like you want it to be when you create a new project. So delete all the not necessary stuff and resize the windows to a reasonable size. In all the workspaces. Done? Good. Now go to File, Defaults, and press on Save Startup File. Now it should be all set when you open a new file. Hey, I could be making a separate video about it!